Hindalco is a flagship company of the Aditya Birla Group, and I represent the extrusions business within Hindalco. We have a total capacity of around 100,000 tons of aluminum extrusions spread across 4 plants in India. Up north in Renupur near Varanasi, and then in down south near Cochin, the plant is Alupuram. We have one plant at Kuppam near Bangalore, and the fourth one, the new one, is in Silvassa. So all put together, we have 100,000 tons of extrusion capacity, and we also have powder coating, anodizing, and fabrication facilities. This also includes our in-house die manufacturing and billet casting capacity. So we are an end-to-end solution provider for anybody who needs extrusions for architectural applications as well as industrial and defense applications. Right. So what's very unique about what Hindalco offers to the architectural application is the wide range in terms of sizes that we can do. So our presses are from 6-inch container to 13.5-inch container. And the latest addition that we have in Silvassa is also the very top end of the range. So the Indian market doesn't have to go outside looking for extruded products. The other innovative thing is our vertical powder coating line, particularly in Silvassa. This is the first and only unique facility in India that provides, very consistent, high-quality powder-coated material for our architects and fabricators and builders. The third, I would say, is in the area of anodizing. The kind of machinery that we have provides consistent anodizing. Normally, the problem that the customers face is shade variation. So our process is so designed that there are no shade variations in this. And the fourth, I would say, is our unique capability to manufacture in-house dies. Today, there is a lack of a world-class die shop in India, and Hindalco is addressing that with building one again at Silvassa. So, Hindalco is a pioneer in sustainability. It's recognized as the most sustainable aluminum company in the world for 4 years in a row. Maintaining low carbon footprint is of primary importance to us, and we are working towards that, and also working very closely with our customers to grow this awareness about sustainability and low carbon aluminum in India. Recycling is of great interest to us, and we are working on our roadmap to start recycling in India for architectural as well as automotive and industrial applications. So I think even globally, sustainability and low carbon aluminum are of primary importance for everyone, and we want to pioneer that in India. So first is to get best-in-class equipment for providing the cutting-edge and state-of-the-art products into India. So our presses in Silvassa are manufactured by an Italian company named Precisi. These are the best presses that I can say in India. As well as I already spoke to you about our powder coating and anodizing facility, both in Kuppam as well as now in Silvassa. In terms of the R&D, we are working very closely with powder manufacturers on getting the latest and the best shades for powder coating in India. And I think the whole objective is to make the windows and doors a high engagement category into India. We don't see that level of engagement for this category compared to other building materials like paints or sanitary ware or tiles. So how can we make the window more beautiful? And how can we increase the adoption of aluminum in the common household in India is what we all need to strive towards. Because there we are competing with other materials like UPVC and wood. And I think aluminum is still the best solution. We need to bring that to the forefront. And that's where I think we want to work closely with our partners and customers. So I think you will see a lot of innovative designs that we want to help our customers with in terms of the profile design, the size, the range that we can offer. The bigger innovation will happen on the recycling and the low carbon side. So that is another area of great importance to us. And third is how do we make the whole category richer by bringing better finishes and make it more aesthetically relevant. So those are the three main areas where we want to work on.
Thank you so much, sir.